July 17, 2020. So then we're gonna call for garbage disposal that's bound up. It won't move because it's just. He said it's one of those KitchenAid ones. And I just turned this guy's house back on, and I think it was frozen last time I was there. And I think I put a screwdriver down in there or jacked it or something to get it working, because the KitchenAid ones don't have the Allen screw thing on the bottom. So I'm going to try to get that straightened out for him. And also he said there's an issue with the toilet. He says the toilet's loose on the floor. It's doing a funky chicken. So he wants me to, said he wants me to shim it. It might just be loose. Might just be able to tighten up the bolts. And if I have to shim it, we usually put like a big couple of shingles in the front of it and cut it with a utility knife. Make like a wedge under it. That's usually what I do if it's pulling a wheelie. But we'll have to take a look at it. I don't think it's leaking. He just said it's loose. Might be the seat's loose. I don't know. Sometimes these rich guys, they don't know what they're talking about half the time. Most of these guys have more money than I do. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. A little rainy this morning. Friday's for the men, they say. Got a couple of jobs to do today. I don't know about this rain. Might put a damper on my day. You drop anything down there? No?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think this one has a key. No, it doesn't.
See, it does. A lot of them, as you know, have those L wrenches.
Yeah, not this one. I think what I did last time is I don't know what I did, to be honest with you.
Yeah, that's something, huh?
I think what I did last time is I just got down inside there with a basin wrench and grabbed the nut. That's what I did. I got down in there with the basin wrench.
And you just kind of turn the wheel, huh?
That's what I thought I did. Well, there's definitely something in there. Looks like a piece of metal or something in there.
Oh my God.
What'd you put in there?
I have no idea. I didn't know there was anything in it.
Looks like sticks or something in there. I think that's what I did last time. I just got down there and put something on there. That's what it was. That's how I did it last time. Freed it up. Try it again. Go ahead.
Somehow that's better than it's been.
If it binds up again, we're going to need to replace it. Alright? Did it work for a while and then shut off?
I don't, to be honest with you, again, I've been in Florida most of the time. It never worked.
Well, when I came here, it was frozen, and I freed it up before I left. And
of course, when you closed the house down, nobody was around, so I don't know.
boy, I put antifreeze down in there, so it might be getting all rusted and rusting up. It's freed up now. Alright, if it binds up again, I'm going to get a brand new one and we're going to replace it.
Okay. Alright. Makes sense.
If it acts up in the future.
Because there's no point. It's unusual. Well, fortunately, it didn't stop raining, but we didn't have any clearance. The motor wasn't working.
having a hot-looking girlfriend. It's hard to have them not act up, you know?
Right next to you there, but pulling that drawer out is the place to throw the paper. What do you think you did? You just...
Well, it was bound up. I went down in there with my basin wrench. I grabbed the nut and I freed it up. Usually there's a key on the bottom that you could use, but this is one of those KitchenAids. It's not the greatest design. Huh? I would definitely not go with that style again. But she's not leaking, so... Like I said, if it acts up again, I'm going to get another one. We're going to just replace it. Alright?
Okay.
Seats definitely. Yeah, we might be able to just tighten it up and tighten up the seat.
Okay.
Let's try that first. It's not leaking, right?
No, it hasn't leaked, thank God.
Let's see if we can tighten it up and see if it's loose. Might be loose as a goose.
That could be. And again, if you've been away a long time as I have, you just come back and find these things. You do a lot of business in Round Hill, don't you? You used to, I know that.
Yeah, I still do.
Good.
I work for quite a few different people. Some people I don't want to work for. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And that's true in life.
Yeah. Some people I like working for, and some I don't want nothing to do with them.
Well, you got an independent business. On the other hand, you need income.
Yeah, it was a little loose. It was a little loose. It's coming back in. Yeah, that one's a little loose too. Things just... Yeah, it could be that the... Yeah, there's a little on the loose side. Could be the flange isn't screwed to the floor properly. Not like it's leaking or anything. You know, they say if you're going to look for trouble, you're going to find it.
Is that one loose too?
Yeah. Yeah, they're both, I think the flange might not be secured that great. I think mostly it's a seat that's loose.
Oh.
You doing the funky chicken on this thing or what now?
Oh.
The seat's still a little, there's a little play in it.
Well, I'm glad it didn't break or it wasn't.
It's not bad. Try getting a shim for the front of it. Definitely kind of floating up in the wind there, huh?
Yeah. I didn't realize there was that much clearance.
Let me see if I can get a shingle for it.
do it.
Not like it's leaking downstairs, right? I'll try the shingle trick.
That stabilize it?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. The world of difference.
Just put one of them shingles in there and it's fine. When you go, can you go downstairs and I'll flush it and see if it drips?
Okay.
You got a light down there?
Down to the basement?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a light down there. Where am I going to look?
Right above where the toilet is. Right below where the toilet is.
Okay, there'll be...
You want me to go down there and you can flush it?
Yeah,
I'll give
why
you.
don't I
I'll
do that then?
All
You
right,
know
I'll
what
give
you
you a
do.
holler. I'll give you a holler when I get down there.
Okay. Right around.
Alright, there's a toilet right there. Go ahead and flush it. Well, that's a weird setup. Put the vent on this thing. Isn't that weird? No stack vent in this house? Yeah. Don't look like there's any stack vent in this house. I don't know how the hell they did that. Doesn't even look like it's glued. But it's not leaking, so we're gonna leave it.
Did you do it again, or are we okay?
Yeah, it's good enough for this neighborhood. Must be a, yeah, there's gotta be a stack vent here somewhere. Yeah, alright, so. Yeah, it's gonna be alright.
Great.
I must go upstairs.